What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. How is everybody doing today? We are on the Z650 and we are just taking a little cruise. It's the day after Thanksgiving today. I did film a little bit yesterday. Thanks for coming along for the ride with me, but without further ado, let's take a look at yesterday. Today is actually Thanksgiving. For you, it's post-Thanksgiving. I hope everybody had a great day, a safe holiday, and enjoyed it with family and friends. Today I'm actually going to pick up my mom. We're having a small Thanksgiving dinner over our house, and so I'm gonna go pick her up on one of the bikes. Just kidding. We're gonna actually pick her up in the Maserati today. We got the Maserati key. So what's up, guys? Is this video different? Why, yes it is. We are in the Maserati and we are going to get my mother for Thanksgiving, and it's a beautiful day outside. It's 74 degrees. We got the windows down. It's probably a little bit windy, but that's okay. Man, we had some great food, you know, kept it very small, obviously with everything going on. We wanted to keep it safe as possible. I wanted to get out today and ride a little bit because, well, it's gonna get cold as crap here in the next couple days. So Sunday we're gonna be down in the 30s. Right now it's about 60 degrees and beautiful outside. So we are just enjoying the weather while we can. You can see that front moving through over there to my left. But I hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving and was safe and enjoyed it, whether you were with friends, family, or the such, or just had something by yourself. I hope you did enjoy it. I wanted to give you guys a couple updates on some things going on once we make this turn right here where this van is coming out. This should also be very interesting with this bike. I've never taken this bike down this little trail before, so this should be absolutely terrifying. Oh! Obviously not a good idea on a Z650 coming down something like this. It gets more rutted the further down you go. But anyway, I am going to sell the Z125. So if you guys have watched the channel a little bit, you know I have a Z125, a DRZ400, and a Z650. I'm going to sell the Z125. I've already put it up for sale. It's a 2020. It's got 347 miles on it. Again, I really got that bike for my wife to learn how to ride. She hasn't really taken to it too much and doesn't want to all that often and doesn't really have the time, to be quite frank. And so, oh God, oh Jesus. I'm gonna go ahead and sell that, put that money aside, and that will be for the bike purchase for next year. I talked about it in a previous video, but it could be a Gold Wing, could be an MT-09. I've been looking at an Africa Twin as well for some dual sport riding. Drop it in the comments, let me know what you think I should look at as the next bike. The Z650 will get me through winter, and then this will go as well, and this will go towards the funds. This road, I don't know if you guys can tell, it is super rutted, like crazy ruts. Oh, bottomed out. Probably shouldn't have gone through that. Through that. Not much ground clearance on this thing. Oh, stopping gravel. It happens. So anyway, it's a beautiful day out, and I'm glad I did get some riding in before it gets too cold. We got a couple new videos coming out. We got a new helmet video. We're gonna set it up with the comms and the GoPro setup, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do all that fun stuff. So if you have that helmet or want to set up a helmet for GoPro, you can do that very thing. But should probably get out of here and get some gas, to be perfectly honest. This is a fun little you know, dirt trail to get into this park. It's about a mile hiking trail in there. There's a lake. It's a very cool place. I'll show you some drone footage of it right here. It's never busy. Nobody knows it's really here. It's a one-off. There's no signs for the park or anything, so you have to go on Google and find it. Oh, this is also where I filmed the Yoshimura video, so I'll drop a link to that right here. You know, I wasn't feeling all that great today, but I am glad that I got out for a few minutes. Sorry there was only one video this week. We will get back into the routine shortly. I have some cool ideas. I know we have the exploration series and the haunted series going. I intend to keep those going. Obviously with winter rolling in here, it's gonna slow down slightly. I picked a great time to start the channel, huh? But very excited. What in the hell was I thinking coming down this road on this bike? Huh? What was I thinking? So anyway, thanks for stopping by. And if you like this video, do me a favor, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, it's free, helps me out quite a bit, and hit that bell to get notified when new videos come out. Thank you guys for watching Urban Moto. We'll see you in the next video. Later.